Here's a quick and easy back-to-school lunch recipe. Let's get cooking. For these chickpea burgers, you will need chickpeas, chopped bell pepper of your choice, chopped onion, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, garlic, onion, gram flour, mint, and coriander. In a chopper, we are going to add our chickpeas, next, we are going to add 2 cloves of garlic and 1/4 of an onion. Chop everything together. The list of ingredients and quantities will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Once the chickpeas are roughly chopped, we are going to add the mint and a bit of coriander in. You can also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if you think that your mixture is really thick. Blend everything together until you have a thick mixture. Once the mixture is all blended together, put it in a bowl. Now we are going to add all the spices to our patty mixture. Salt and pepper should be according to your taste. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but it should be according to your taste. Now add the chopped bell peppers and onion and mix everything together. Once your patty mixture is well mixed, we are going to add a couple of tablespoons of gram flour. This will act as a binding agent for the patty mixture. Now we are ready to make our patties. Wet your hand and take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture. Make a round ball and then pat the patty to make it flat. This mixture will give you about 6 large patties. Heat a bit of olive oil on medium heat. Fry the patties for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Now we are ready to assemble our burger. Spread a little bit of mayo on each side of the bun. Add the patty. You can put any type of toppings on your burger. My choice of toppings are sliced onion for a bit of crunch, sliced tomatoes, ketchup on the other side, crispy lettuce. I also like to add a splash of lemon juice on the patties. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.